In this video, I'm demonstrating how to streamline your workflow with Pop.ai, a highly effective AI tool. I'll walk you through the process of leveraging Pop.ai to simplify your tasks. To begin, open your preferred browser by left-clicking on its icon. In the search bar, type Pop.ai and hit Enter. Click on the first link that appears, leading you to popai.pro PDF. This interface serves as your personal AI workspace, offering various features. The primary one is Chat with Document. Right-click on this option to upload a document into Pop.ai and prompt the AI to perform tasks. For instance, let's upload a sample PDF via URL. The bot will automatically summarize the PDF's content upon upload. Now, you can ask the bot questions such as requesting a 50-word summary of the PDF. The bot swiftly generates the summary, providing insights into the document's content. Moving on, the next feature is AI Presentation. Click on this option in the left navigation bar to access the AI Presentation tab. Here, you can create presentations, flowcharts, and images for various purposes, including academic and career-related endeavors. For instance, you can craft cover letters, resumes, or even blog posts using this tool. Additionally, you can utilize it for SEO, marketing, translation, and coding tasks. For demonstration purposes, let's create a mind map. Click on the flowchart option, and then select Mind Map. The bot will generate a mind map based on your input, allowing you to explore different concepts and languages. You can even request a mind map in Urdu, as shown in this example. Next, explore the AI Image option in the left navigation bar. Here you can utilize various tools such as image generation, text extraction, and image translation to enhance your workflow. These features empower you to automate tasks efficiently, making Pop.ai a valuable asset for optimizing your work processes. And that concludes the demonstration of Pop.ai's capabilities.